Clean, brighten, and restore aged teak and all hardwoods with Golden Care Teak Cleaner. Untreated teak loses its honey color after 6 weeks and develops dark splotches after several months. Golden Care Teak Cleaner is a water-based, non-hazardous, and eco-safe formula that restores teak to its natural color. Moisten the wood with water. Shake product for 1 minute. Apply with a soft cloth or sponge and allow to soak for 3 minutes. Scrub the furniture clean with a scrubbing pad in the direction of the grain. And then rinse the furniture with water. Once dry, if the wood feels a little rough, sand lightly. You can now apply our protectors and shield. Spend more time enjoying your furniture. Keep your teak looking natural with Golden Care.